Namo Buddhaya. In the time of the Buddha, he asked the monks, how do you practice living your life? How do you think about death? And so one of the monks said, I think tomorrow might be my last day. Or maybe today might be my last day. So in the same way, monks said various responses. But the Buddha said, all of those responses are wrong. You're living too lax. And then one monk said, at the end of my meal, I think I might die one day. So before I die, I should do good deeds, cultivate good things in my mind. Still, the Buddha said, you're still living too lax. And so then another monk said, by the time I take one ball of rice into my mouth, I think I might die. And another monk says, the next breath I take in, I think I might die. So before I die, I should cultivate good things and get rid of bad things. That's when the Buddha said, sadhu sadhu. You should think like that, monks. You should think like that. Think in the next time I take a breath in, I might die. Maybe the next time we take a breath out, I might die. Why should we think like this? Because our life is that fragile. Our life is that unstable. So, dear friends, don't live lightly. Make the most of the time we have today. Because who knows, our next breath might be our last breath. Namo Buddhaya.